The victory of the Nationalist People's Party (NPP) and the United Democratic Party (UDP) in the by-elections to the three assembly constituencies in Meghalaya held recently on the 30th of October was termed by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, as a victory of the development agenda of the MDA government. Sangma, while saying that the Congress had fought the by-elections as a divided party, also stated that during the campaigning to the by-elections, the opposition Congress made a lot of allegations against his government. Sangma also pointed out that the Congress youth leaders had been helping the UDP candidate in Rajabala constituency.
What I'm trying to indicate is the fight has been tough, and yet the people have put their trust. It's because of the agendas and the work of this government that the people have seen. It's a clear mandate and a clear thumbs up, I should say, by the people of these two constituencies towards the government, and also in Moplang towards the government of the MDA. Yes, there have been a lot of allegations that have been made by a lot of the opposition parties. We did not speak much, if you remember, in the election campaign also. I had said that we would like to work and play a politics of development, politics of progressive movement forward, election and a campaign of issues of the people. And that's how we have been doing it. And I'm happy that people have responded positively to our campaign. And we're very happy to see that today we have won, as a government, we have won all the 3 seats.
Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tansong alleged that the infighting within the Congress party, as admitted by the AICC President Sonia Gandhi, has been the major factor for the loss of power all over the country. He also said that the Congress had gone against the NPP-led government with childish allegations, but the results of the by-elections proved that the electorates are smarter than those who had made allegations against the MDA government.
But as MDA, let me just tell you, as MDA partners, we will again continue beyond 2023. Due to the poaching system did by Congress, ultimately, Paniat, he won with a margin of 1800 plus, and then even Mr. Abdul Saleh with almost 2000 margin he won. Otherwise, I'm telling you, if they did not apply the old tactic that they used to, even me also, I was the one part of Congress that time, we used to do that question.